Okay, so you got to be careful on some of these questions because they're going to be very specific on what points they want you to use. And so right here it says use the intercepts to draw the line. And if there's only one of them, then obviously you're going to have to use some other point. You got to have 2 points to draw our line. So on intercepts, um, I'm sure you saw from my video on the Google site, I probably was pretty formal with my definitions, but another way you can do this that's kind of a little bit of a shortcut is you can make a table and just put a 0 for x and put a 0 for y, right? And then go ahead and substitute those in individually one at a time, and then find your y value and find your x value, and that's kind of a nice way of doing it too. So on this first one right here, if I'm going to put a 0 for x, that would be 0 minus 3 and then equals y. So 0 take away 3 is negative 3 equals y. So that would be the y value associated there. Then on this other point right here, in this case, the y will be 0. So we'll have x minus 3 equals 0. And we'll go ahead and add 3 to both sides. That cancels out, and we'll get x equals 3. And then you just have to be careful when you're graphing the ordered pairs. So x and then y, right? So x tells you to move left and right. Y is going to tell you how to move up and down. So my first point, 0, negative 3, x is 0, so I don't shift horizontally. But then my y value is negative 3, so I'm going to end up down right here. And then my other point is at 3, 0, so this time my x value is positive 3, so I go in the positive direction. The y value is 0, so I stay right there. And then on your homework, they'll have that little tool that the line should just pop up on the screen, and you should be good to go. Hope that helps.